Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the internal structure of the heart, like how is the heart, how is the internal organs, how is the functioning. We are going to look with the help of teaching aid, the model of human heart. With help of that we are going to discuss it. Yes, this is the internal structure of human heart as a teaching aid or model. When we are observe the model of human heart, first you can observe this is the outer layer. It's called as pericardial membrane. Commonly the two layers are present around that heart. So in between the two layers the fluid is present, that is called as pericardial fluid. It will give protection from the any injuries or physical injuries. So this is the pericardial membrane, the fluid also presents in between two membranes. That is the first, the outer portion. When we are observe the internal structure, commonly the four chambers are present here. The upper two is called as auricules, right auricule and left auricule, and then two ventricles are present here, the down. So right ventricle and left ventricle. So totally four chambers are present here in the structure, two auricles, two ventricles. This is the right side, the right side auricule and right side ventricle, left side auricule, left side ventricle. Commonly the four chambers are present here. Then these are chambers. So chambers are separated by one layer is called as the interseptum. So auricles and ventricles both are separated by this interauricular septum. And then commonly the blood vessels are present here. These are called as the blood vessels, is a carrying of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood parts of the body to heart and heart to remaining parts of the body. This is called as, first this one is a pulmonary artery, is a carrying deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. So this is called as pulmonary artery. And the next one, these three are called as commonly the veins. Coronary vein, inferior vein and superior vein. So these are held and carrying of deoxygenated blood the above the heart to heart, that entry of right auricles. Then this is called as pulmonary vein. This one is entry into left auricles, is carrying of oxygenated blood from lungs, is below the heart. Commonly the lungs are present here to left auricule. So it is called as the blood vessel. Deoxygenated is also known as pulmonary vein. So here the pulmonary vein, like this, it will be entry into the left auricule, and then pulmonary artery, it will be arising from commonly the right ventricle, right exit from right ventricle to touch to lungs. So these are the blood vessels and surrounded by the pericardial or cardial membrane. And next one, commonly the valves are present. Here one valve it will be present, that is called as artery valve. So the valve it will be prevents the flow of back direction. So means it will not the entry or not exit, it will be prevented by this valve, ear one. And one more it will be present in between right auricule and right ventricle, like here, that is called as tricuspid valve. And one more here, left ventricle and left auricule, like in between here the place is called as bicuspid valve, bicuspid and tricuspid, these two valves, and here pulmonary valve. And one more valve also present, the left ventricle. Commonly the one blood vessel is present here, it will be carrying of oxygenated blood from heart to all remaining parts of the body. So here it will be present, that is called as artery valve. So artery valve, pulmonary valve here, and here is the tricuspid valve and bicuspid. Commonly the four valves are present in the heart, and like that only the blood vessels, coronary, inferior, superior, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. So these are the blood vessels, blood chambers, and next membranes, and below that heart it will be present of the lungs. So commonly when you observe the internal structure of the heart, we are observing these chambers, valves and flow of, and the how like the structure of heart like is a triangle shape. This is about the internal structure of the heart.